The School Kids. S Z. Learn with fun. Hello kids, how are you? Today you will learn about number word poem. 1. I have one dog and I have one cat. I have one bird and one little rat. I have one duck and I have one snake. I have one turtle that I caught in the lake. 2. Little squirrels climbing a tree. 2 little rabbits looking at me. 2 little frogs jumping up high. 2 little birds learning to fly. 3. Trucks. I see 3 cars. I see 3 jets as high as the stars. I see 3 buses. I see 3 trains. I see 3 boats and I see 3 planes. 4. I would like 4 burgers. I would like 4 fries. I would like 4 sodas. And I would like 4 pies. I would like 4 cookies. I would like 4 cakes. I would like 4 candies. They taste great. 5. We see 5 fish swimming in the sea. We see 5 sharks as scary as can be. We see 5 crabs hiding in the sand. We see 5 turtles crossing the land. 6. Little kids playing on the slide. 6 little kids going for a ride. 6 little kids on the teeter-totter. 6 little kids getting a drink of water. 7. 7 clouds are in the sky. 7 planes are way up high. 7 trees are on the ground. 7 cars are driving around. 8. 8 push-ups in a row. 8 sit-ups. Go, go, go. 8 jumping jacks. Look at me. 8 2 touches. Easy. 9. 9 bees on my keys. I have 9 ants in my pants. I have 9 flies around my eyes. That's 9 so far in my jar. Ten. 10 little monkeys swimming in the trees. 10 little monkeys watching you and me. 10 little monkeys in the zoo. 10 little monkeys, what will they do? Thanks for watching video. Like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.